Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, zaptest.com. Gray box versus white box versus black box testing. White box, gray box, and black box testing are all part of the same spectrum, in which the varying factor is the level of access that a tester has throughout the process. As a testing form becomes more black, the testing is increasingly opaque with access to the information behind the software is limited. White box testing is ideal for the earliest stages of the process, with black box testing excelling for stages such as end-to-end testing, which examines the entire application from the perspective of the user. Gray box testing acts as a middle ground between the two concepts, helping to find issues throughout the middle of the development process by offering greater insight while still keeping some of the source code obscured from the tester. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.